Good morning. I'm Kathleen Arola-Johnson, and this is Creative Solace Studios. Sometimes artists' hands get really dry from working with different materials and having to wash your hands a lot. So in this episode of my top 5 in 5 minutes, I would like to share 5 artist hand lotions that are helpful to me. Each lotion is of a different category and serves a different purpose. The first category is a general hand and body lotion. I like Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. This is a light lotion to use at the beginning of the day or throughout the day. Sometimes I put it on and then a little bit later use a different kind of lotion on top of it for layering. Secondly, for drier skin, it helps to have something less watery than typical lotion. The examples that I like are Aveeno Eczema Therapy Daily Moisturizing Cream. This one is thicker than a typical lotion, and I use it for, I would say, medium body or medium thickness. A little bit thicker for me is CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. This one, this one is a little bit thicker and for drier skin. For both of these products, I try to let them set and soak in for a while before doing something, or I use them at night or when I'm taking a nap with a thick application for deep hydration while sleeping. The third category of hand lotion products to have on hand is something especially for cuticles, for the tips of your fingers around your nails. These are a little bit thicker and sticky, so it's again nice to put them on before going to sleep. Burt's Bees is very thick, and this one is a hand cream, but they also have one that is specifically labeled as a cuticle treatment. This True Blue Spa cuticle treatment, I believe, is discontinued, so I may have to look for something else when this one is finished. The next category of artist hand lotions is something special for when you're working with clay. Kiln-fired clay dries out my hands like nothing else, so I usually go for a barrier cream that actually shields my hands. It doesn't just replace any moisture lost, but it blocks them from the effects of working with the clay. The one that I like is called Gloves in a Bottle. Lastly, I have to include the category of scented lotions. Aromatherapy relaxes me and can be a soothing addition just during my day or during my art making practice. Butters are thicker than lotion, but not sticky. This one is an organic lavender body butter cream by Ali Kula Lavender. I like it especially because it reminds me of my trip to Maui, where we visited the lavender farms where it was made, and it brings back wonderful memories, plus smells exceptional. Those are my top 5 hand lotion categories that work for me to replenish my skin, especially when I'm making art. I know there's a lot of products out there, so if you have something that really works for you, drop a comment to this video and let me know.